The only way that we are going to create a community that's healthy is by almost working with every individual and trying to reach them, trying to provide a service that would benefit them, that would end up helping their own families and their kids as well. That's what Gandara believes in, and that's what we try to support.
The Gandara Center was founded in 1977, and it was named after Dr. Jose Gandara, who was a physician and a public servant in the early and mid-1900s, and a proponent of expanded public health services and helping the less fortunate throughout Puerto Rico. Today, the Gandara Center continues promoting those ideals in our work with underserved populations throughout the greater Springfield region.
Without my co-workers, nothing would be here. Co-workers are what makes this agency, and their input, their ideas, their passion is what makes it. Without it, we wouldn't be here at all.
For me, I know I'm succeeding when I'm able to help a woman succeed on her path to recovery, when I am able to calm a situation down here. When someone comes into my program and says, wow, it feels really calm here. This is a nice home that you're providing for the women that live here.
It's just, you know, it's very exciting. It's family driven. It's moving away from the traditional services where you sit down and a professional tells you, I'm a psychologist, I know what you need. I know what you need. And we're saying, great, well, the family, the mom or the dad are the professionals. And taking this new family approach, this family voice and choice and collaborating people spoke to me a lot.
I always wanted to be part of the community that I live in, and thanks to Gandara, I'm part of the community. I believe in Gandara because you have the opportunity to grow here. They value you as an employee, and they assist you to be able to provide better services to your clients as much as they can.
This is one job that I get up every morning and I never say I don't feel like going to work because I like my job. Because we come from the communities that these kids come from, you see them in the community. And you can see the positive things that have come about from them being in the program, and they'll actually tell you that, you know, how thankful they were that we were here for them at that time in their lives, and that's why they're successful now. So it's not always immediate. A lot of times it might be a year, sometimes 2 years when you actually see the client in Walmart or the grocery store, and they might actually be the cashier, or they might actually be there with their family. So you get to see the successes.
Working at the Gandara Center really excites me because I think we have in the Human Resources Department and throughout our agency great people working with us.
We're like a family here, I say. It's not just I come into work and that's it and I respond to my supervisor. Everyone here is well-known to each other and we support each other in any and every way possible.
There's a lot of heart here. There's a lot of passion. There's a lot of passion with the care coordinators out there. And it's a great place to come in when you see people. It's like a family. They come in, there's agreements and disagreements. But the goal is to work with the families, do the best work we can. With every single family.
It certainly felt like a calling. I felt like I was called to do, I don't know, something that mattered, helping people, some sort of field where I could give back.
Success is visiting programs and looking at kids smile, or families that will tell you stories about the difference of the services. It's not so much that the state is coming in and giving you an award, but the real reward is really seeing those families improve.
It serves underserved communities here. It's very, very important for people who don't have access to mental health services, to support around substance abuse issues, has that within their communities.
I believe in Gandara because of the work they do with the Latino families. The dedication and the hard work towards the Latino community.
Once you become an employee, you're almost always an employee, even if you end up leaving the agency. Because another way we use people who leave the agency, we use them as contacts, because a lot of them stay within the field, just a different aspect of the field.
I would say that in a nutshell that Gandara is of the community. We support the community, and we hope to continue to serve the community well.